Hi everyone! Big news for all Bagisto users and developers. I am excited to announce that the new Bagisto documentation is now live at docs.bagisto.com. Once the page is open, click the Get Started button. The updated documentation features a clear layout, easy navigation, and step-by-step guides, making it simpler than ever to explore. Core features include product type, category, attribute, orders, customer, marketing, reporting, settings, and configuration. It also includes multi-vendor marketplace, B2B marketplace, and multi-tenant e-commerce. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the new bookstore documentation and explore what's new today. Don't forget to share your feedback. Thank you.